Unlock fearlessness and purpose with Upanishad wisdom. Over 3,000 years old, yet timeless life hacks for your soul. Today, 3 lessons plus powerful quotes to awaken you. Like and subscribe now. Lesson 1 from Chandogya Upanishad. Tat Tvam Asi. You are that. That means the infinite Brahman, the essence in everything. See yourself in others. End the me versus them. In traffic or arguments, pause and think, this person is me, struggling too. Unity dissolves anger, sparks compassion, heals loneliness. Live it daily. Lesson 2. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Neti Neti. Not this, not that. Strip illusions. You're not your job, body, or thoughts. Peel like an onion to your true Atman. Failure is fleeting Maya. Stop chasing likes or wealth. Inquire, who am I? Nachiketa chose truth over pleasures. Meditate daily. Find freedom now. Lesson 3. Paths to Moksha from Mundaka and Isha. Choose higher knowledge over worldly facts. Karma Yoga, act selflessly. Bhakti, surrender to the divine in you. Jnana, know bliss is your nature. Desires fade, peace flows. Practice gratitude, moksha is here. You're already whole. Meditate on one quote today. Comment your favorite below. Subscribe for more Vedic wisdom. Namaste.